y'all. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys know, to start off any good makeup look, you have to prime. So I am going in with the Juvia's Place I Prep I Prime in shade 1, and I am priming my eyelids. And now I am going in with my chalk dust setting powder in order to set my underbrow area, and this is also going to help when I put my colors into my crease to kind of help with a seamless buttery blend. I've been doing this for a minute and I absolutely love it. I feel like it helps blend all of the colors together when I start putting down my base colors. And I am going in with my Juvia's Place Mini Nubian palette. You guys, this is the perfect everyday palette. And I am taking that light brown and I am sweeping that all into my crease. And now I'm going in with that darker chocolatey brown color, and I am going to be placing that into my crease as well as into my outer V. You guys, like I said before, this palette is the perfect everyday neutral palette. You have your mattes and you have your shimmers. It's just absolutely perfect. And now I am going in with this bronzy color, and I'm just going to be placing that on the center of my lid and blending it towards the outer V with that chocolatey brown so everything blends seamlessly. And then I'm going in with this champagne color on my inner eyelid. A little bit more definition in my outer V, so I went into the Crayon Case MatteBook palette and I pulled out this chocolate brown, like a deeper chocolate brown color, in order to place it into my outer V to kind of help a little bit, because like I said, I wanted to darken up that outer V area just a little bit because I knew I was going to be putting in a winged liner. So that is why I went in with that darker chocolatey brown color, just to give it just a little bit more a little extra pizzazz. You know what I'm talking about? And I know I told you guys I'm going to be bringing you my review over this Pat McGrath Labs concealer as well as the under eye setting powder that I got from Influencer. And y'all, I'm still gonna be bringing y'all that review. Just be patient with me. Be patient with me, and make sure you subscribe to join the tribe. But I'm just now doing my face, and so my face is pretty much self-explanatory. It's the same thing that I normally do. So what I'm going to do is I am going to let the beat play while I go in and beat this face. if you've been watching my channel for a while, then you will know that I am good for a new glossy lip. But you guys, I have been in love with this matte nude Suede cream lipstick in Soft Spoken from NYX Cosmetics, y'all. It is the perfect matte nude lipstick, and I have just been in love with it. I swear I've been in love with it. And of course, you guys, I had to go in with a setting spray to just make sure that all my hard work is locked in. And y'all, look at that fan. I'm so excited about that little fan, y'all. Y'all just do not understand. I was so excited I left it on and letting it blow my hair in the wind like Beyonce, you guys. And I am in love with this little simple look. I want to say thank you guys for coming in and watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.